Good evening, Miss Tatiana. My name is Brandon. I am in Intermediate 5 and this is my speaking activity number 2. And today I talk about my monthly expenses. And at the end of each month, I have my personal expenses. I live with my parents, so I don't pay monthly rent. So I spend 49 soles and 90 cents and on my cell phone. I spend 8 souls on Spotify. I spend 7 souls on Amazon Prime. Finally, I give my mom 300 souls. Um, so I am careful with my budget because I don't usually spend on alcohol, parties, etc. My total expenses for my personal things, but usually for my lunches, are 10 sols and 4 sols day for my bus fare. And the total will be 56 sols a week. Thank you, teacher.